Marco Pollo's tomb. This is it. Careful, I don't think we're the first visitors.
Look, a blue windstone. We should grab that, Captain.
There's no map piece, Captain.
We are too late.
Who is down here? Don't bother trying to hide. I can hear your heartbeat. Who are you? No kinsman of mine, I'm sure. A human? How marvelous. How in the spiral did you get in here? I know why you're here, and what you're looking for. Too late. We took the shred of Pollo's map weeks ago. Your pathetic efforts are in vain. Wait, I know you. What are you doing here? You're supposed to be in Skull Island, aren't you? Yes, the Armada knows all about you, pirate. Surrender the piece of Pollo's map you have, and I will let you live. You know, I'm tempted to let you go. You're so resourceful. You'd be quite a thorn in the side of Deacon, Bishop, or Kane himself. Then again. Captains, attack!
White Cadre, commence staggered assault.
Black Cadre, incapacitate the intruders.
Farewell, pirate. I am sure we shall meet again.
Look out! If we don't get the officers, they'll overwhelm us. Aim for the one called service.
Hot Captain. That will do.
Here goes.
What's that?
What now? All right.
Hey, at once.
Aye, aye, Cap.
Fiend is gone! We'd best get out of here too.
I've had enough of Valencia. Let's go back to Captain Steed.